Welcome, young trombones and trumpets. Today we are working through Tradition of Excellence. This is number 22, Little Robin Redbreast. We're working on phrasing here. Two phrases. Technically, I would try to play the first phrase on one breath to keep that flow going, but there are comma marks after the first two measures, so I'm going to honor that decision. And I know where Bruce Pearson is coming from with putting that in there, that's a long way for someone in fourth or fifth grade to play without taking a breath. Okay. Careful to get a full note on that last note of that song, not to let it clip off early. Next, we have Skill Builder, Merrily We Roll Along, also Mary Had a Little Lamb. There's a repeat sign at the end, so watch out for that.